So what's happening next week is the last week of the semester. So the last week of this course. The week after that, here's Roa and here's Hind. Next week's the last week of the course. So we're going to have some little assessment the last week of the course. We can't have any big assessment the last week of the course. But what we're going to do is we're going to ask you to do a little presentation. So it's kind of like a strange assignment, which is going to be a little presentation. So keep an eye on that. Yeah, Roa thinks that's funny. Keep an eye on that because I will post something in there. We'll work it out so it's not too embarrassing. You look like that's bothering you. But anyways, so we will have a presentation next week that you guys will do. Other things is that we got one lab left that we'll do next week, aside from the lab that we're going to do now, which is lab 12. And yeah, then it's exam time. And as soon as I know any more about the exam, I'll let you know what I can know. The exam, I can tell you when it is. It's the 18th.
In the morning.
In the morning. Yeah. Yeah. So the presentation will have to be in our class time next week. So I'll post something on D2L on that. So you will have to do that. Okay. Welcome, Mohab. Maybe you guys can sign in. About what? You get to choose something that we've done in course so far. Yeah, you get to choose a topic, something that we've done. So that's going to come up next week. I am recording, so I can pause recording, but should I just, I got to resume. So actually, I just realized that I didn't record all of that. So I'm just putting this up so you can see it in the record. I stopped the recording and went ahead. So let's just have a quick look at this with the recording on. So do we need to present in front of the class? Yeah, we'll make it work. I mean, I understand a soft copy might work for me as long as it's you, right? As long as it's not somebody else, some canned thing. So let me just have a look at this so we can see what we're doing. In this thing, we had a bunch of very small functions that we created. We also used some math functions. We got a bunch of inputs at the start. That's all that is inputs. Now, every time you see these things here, that's a function call. So we're using function calls all over the place. We use function calls in our prints, and we use function calls in our LF. And that was our exercise for today. I think that's enough. Okay, thanks, then. Stop.